Thermaltake is no stranger to this channel, and I also don't hide the fact that I love many of their products. We have looked at cases, power supplies, coolers, keyboards and more. Today we take our first look at some of their RAM. The particular set we are looking at is the TOUGHRAM XG RGB DDR4 3600 MHz kit in white. Built with high quality components to the highest of standards, the TOUGHRAM XG RGB features a unique design and 16 LEDs for a more dynamic lighting experience, providing high gaming performance with vivid RGB colours and flawless sync when paired with a B550 series board or higher or the Intel equivalent chipset. The RGB is pretty much on par with what you would expect from Thermaltake. It is highly customizable to fit and adapt into any setup, making them very versatile. Fitted with a unique X-shaped aluminium heat spreader that delivers exceptional heat dissipation to meet all these high performance needs, it's also subjectively beautiful. One half of the design is sandblasted CNC aluminium and the other is either white, black, grey or Hydrea blue. I think it's safe to assume other colours will soon follow, accented with a splash of chrome to finish. They are weighty for RAM modules thanks to their unique heat spreader, and LED modules weighing at 59 grams per stick are solid with superb build quality. The Thermaltake TOUGHRAM XG RGB DDR4 memory modules are designed with performance and endurance in mind and are built with enhanced and high-end components to ensure maximum performance and longevity. After using this RAM kit for a few weeks now in my new editing PC already featured on the channel, I am very impressed with it. Using it with a Ryzen 5 3600 on an Asrock B450 Steel Legend motherboard, I have seen no compatibility issues whilst light gaming and editing the last few videos. Whilst the timings are a little loose at 18, 19, 19, 39, they still help the system to feel very snappy and help maintain great performance. Compatible with Asus AuraSync, Gigabyte Fusion 2.0 and Mystic Light Sync, I have found the lighting didn't play too nicely with Asrock Polychrome and Signal RGB. However, the TT NeoMaker software is the most stable to use and it gives you more customization over the lighting. But if you use these RAM kits and you have a great all-in-one solution to control the RGB in your system, I would be very interested to hear about it. Other features include Alexa voice control. However, I am unsure why anyone would want Alexa voice to control their RGB, but I guess it's a unique selling point. I know some of you are interested in overclocking, so just to let you know, I did do a quick and dirty overclock on this kit to 3800 MHz without a problem. However, your mileage may vary. I have included screenshots of the difference between running the RAM at stock speeds of 2666 MHz and enabling XMP to 3600 MHz, and the jump in performance is night and day, so make sure you jump into the BIOS and enable XMP. TOUGHRAM XG is available in speeds from 3600 to 4600 MHz in 16, 32 and 64 GB kits and has several colours to choose from. With the price of this particular product being significantly higher than Thermaltake's competitors, it does make it harder to recommend buying new. But if you are lucky enough to find the kit for sale at a reasonable price, then they are definitely worth considering. So this is all I have time for this video. If you liked it, hit like. If you loved it, subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one.